What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you step by step how to buy the BEST wallet token, or BEST for short. It's the native token of the BEST wallet ecosystem, giving you access to exclusive features and up to 77% APY through staking. And as always, you'll find the pre-sale link down below in the description, so check it out before the next price tier kicks in. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Set up your wallet. BEST runs on Ethereum, so you'll need a wallet that supports ERC20 tokens, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or ideally BEST Wallet itself. If you use a BEST wallet, make sure to download it only from the official website or the App Store. Create a new wallet, write down your recovery phrase offline, enable biometric authentication and two-factor verification, and you're good to go. That keeps your funds safe and ready for action. Step 2. Fund your wallet. To join the pre-sale, you'll need Ethereum, USDT, or USDC on the Ethereum network. In BEST Wallet, you can do this directly in the app. Tap Buy, select a token, e.g. Ethereum, choose your payment method, credit card, bank transfer, or crypto provider, enter amount, confirm the purchase, wait a few seconds, and the coins will appear. Alternatively, you can transfer from an exchange like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. Step 3. Connect to the pre-sale. Go to the official pre-sale page, link in the description, and click Connect Wallet. Choose your wallet, preferably BEST Wallet, and confirm the connection. Now, you're all set. Step 4. Buy BEST tokens. Select the token you want to pay with, Ethereum, USDT, or USDC, enter the amount you want to invest, and the pre-sale calculator will instantly show how many BEST tokens you'll receive. Then just confirm the transaction in your wallet, and boom, you're in. Step 5. Verify your purchase. Your BEST tokens will be locked until the Token Generation Event, TGE, on November 28, 2025. You can always check your allocation directly on the pre-sale page, via Etherscan using your wallet address, or in BEST Wallet under upcoming tokens. That way, you'll always know exactly what's waiting for you, even during the lockup period. Step 6. Claim after the pre-sale. Once the TGE starts, you can easily claim your tokens. Just go back to the pre-sale page or open BEST Wallet, connect your wallet, click Claim, and confirm the transaction. Shortly after, your BEST tokens will appear automatically in your wallet. Now to the most important part. The BEST wallet token is the core of the entire ecosystem. It offers utility, governance, access to exclusive features, and, most importantly, staking rewards up to 77% APY. This makes it a real gem for long-term investors seeking solid returns. With BEST, you're not just benefiting from potential price growth, you're also part of the expanding BEST wallet network. Because BEST Wallet aims to be more than just a digital vault. It's a full crypto hub with rewards, NFT integration, and a focus on usability and security. And the best part, early participants not only get the lowest entry price, but also the highest staking boost within the ecosystem. So folks, set up your wallet, fund it, and grab your BEST tokens while the pre-sale is still running. The link's down below. Use it before the next price tier increases. Always use non-custodial wallet like BEST Wallet to stay in full control of your assets. If this guide helps you, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more crypto tutorials. See you next time.